It's called ArthroBSG, right? Yeah. And this works on the basis of streaming potentials. So the difference between the positive and the negative ion, the proteoglycans being negatively charged, the positive ion being pressed away if you load the cartridge, or if you push up the cartridge with the probe. So simply said, this is where on this sphere, it has many of these gold-tipped probes that measure the streaming potential. And because it's a sphere, you can put it on the cartridge anywhere, and you will always be pushing with part of the sphere. It doesn't matter if you push softly or if you push harder, the machine takes care of that. And we have a setup downstairs where you can practice this. So basically, you hold the probe just above the cartridge for a few seconds so it calibrates in the fluid, and then you just compress the cartridge and let go. And it gives you a graph to show you the indentation with the streaming potential measurements. And we can practice that on a CALD downstairs with different regions, different numbers, and to get the feel for the device.